All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I had to put this on the floor because it's super big. I got some big speakers. You know I like big speakers. This is the Braven XXL. And let me start by telling you, this is $100 off right now. So hit the link in the description. I got a coupon code down there for you if you want to grab this. This is the big boy outdoor series. You can see how big that is. It's an HD wireless speaker and it's got extreme bass. So we'll definitely see how that sounds. It's got a wireless, it's IPX5, up to 14 hours of playback. Now you guys know I have currently the biggest and most powerful speaker I have is my gigantic LG speaker. But this one right here can go outside. I can take the other one other places, but that's a party speaker type deal. And it's got handles on it, but it's not water resistant or anything, and it's not meant to technically be outside in rugged areas. This can. So as you can see here, you got some cables here. Put that aside for now. I like how they give you, and these were probably actually sitting up here, but they got kind of toppled around in transit. I like how they give you all of the adapters for all the countries. I like that. So, wow, this thing is heavy. Big, just how I like it. I'll move it up to the desk here in just a second. You get a strap here, an instruction manual. And we're gonna get it going. So, crack it open here. I'm probably gonna just put it up on the desk now since that big box is out of the way. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh man, I'm gonna switch over to the desk now. All right, so you can see here, this thing is massive. You've got the front little Braven joint here, little branding there, and then on the side here, you've got your power, your bass and treble, play, and you got some volume rockers there. On this side is where it's covered up, but you plug it in here. As you can see, you've got your aux in. Get that? You got your aux in, your mic, because that's a mic input, and you can charge here with 1 amp out, and you've got your power right there on a reset button. And I can show you all the specs in the world, but really, I need to test it for you. So let me get the mic going here. And we're gonna power up some music and start playing. All right, guys, so here we are. Gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. Before I get going here, is to convert some of the specs here. Obviously, this is a rugged speaker. You get a speakerphone, and it also has a mic input. It's shock absorbent. It's got a 15,600 milliamp hour battery pack inside, man. And it's, I've got little small ones like that, but this thing is definitely going to be a powerhouse to use. I'm super excited about it. Remember to check the links in the description. And now let me get you a sound test real quick. See what the volume is. Let's switch tracks. It definitely has a lot of bass, and that is definitely confirmed. I don't know how well it comes across on the microphone here, but I have a high power mic, so it's banging over here. I gotta tell you, folks, it's hitting. Now the differences between this and my LG that I have posted up. First of all, this is a lot smaller, but it hits just as hard almost. The LG is definitely more powerful, more loud, and more sound. But because the LG has two 5.14-inch speakers on it and tweaks and mids and highs, everything. But for what this is something I would use more than the LG because I can take this everywhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put this in the garage or in the trunk of my car. So when I go to a car show or somewhere, this will be ready. I mean, this thing is hitting so hard. Again, video just can't do it justice. I'm telling you. It just can't do it justice. Let's listen to another track here, because I know my neighbors might get a little upset with me. This is at about 50% volume. This song kind of skates into the actual, you know, this is my current theme song. This is a winner, folks. On sale right now for $199 with a coupon down below. $100 off, straight from Braven. Yeah, man. Yeah, there's definitely not a lot of speakers that can touch this one for this type of speaker category, I should say. Because again, I'm comparing it to not the other Braven sitting back there, because you know that's more of a real elegant looking speaker, and I have it in the office here. But this one looks good and it's rugged and it can go places. It's got a big handle. It even has a strap, but I wouldn't even use the strap. I would just use this handle. This is way more portable and it sounds amazing. I have a lot of speakers, folks. Remember, I review a lot of speakers and they just keep getting better and better. It seems like Braven just keeps topping themselves. I have a lot of Braven speakers at this point, and this one right here is something that I'm definitely going to use for traveling, if you will, because I'm going on a trip somewhere, and I'm going to take this speaker and blow that hotel. They're going to get tired of my gospel music coming out of this thing. I can have a party with this. I can do a concert hall with this. I can do that with my LG speaker, but the LG speaker is big and it's not portable, or as portable as this. Even though it has handles, it's super heavy compared to this. This is heavy, don't get me wrong, but this thing bangs for such a compact size. It's big, but it's compact. You know what I'm saying? So I can charge my phone with this. I can charge a tablet. I can do anything with this thing. Plug in my iPad, plug in a phone, set it to the side, and have a party with all my good people. So there you have it, folks. It's your man, Jay Will. The Braven XXL on sale right now for $199. Go check it out.